Understanding sound effect, an essential tool for language learning. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of language that often goes unnoticed but is crucial in communication: sound effects. Not to be confused with the sounds from movies. The phrases we call sound effects in language learning are all about the sounds that convey meaning. Sound effects in language are words that mimic the sounds we hear in real life. They are the onomatopoeic expressions that represent the actual sound of an action or thing. These expressions are powerful tools in language learning because they are often universal and can help us understand and describe the world around us in a vivid, auditory way. In English, sound effects play a significant role in making conversations and stories more engaging and lively. They help listeners visualize and hear what's happening without actually being there. For English learners, mastering these can greatly improve your listening comprehension and make your speech more natural and expressive. Let's dive into some common examples. When a door creaks open, we say, creak. When something drops into water, we might use plop or splash. These words are intuitive and often fun to learn because they sound like the noises they describe. Practicing them can also be entertaining and can enhance your pronunciation skills. You'll find that sound effects aren't just for dramatic stories. They're used in everyday conversation too. From expressing a sudden realization with an aha, to showing hesitation with an these phrases are a vital part of spoken English. Recognizing and using them can help you become more fluent and understand native speakers better. And that's a wrap on sound effects in language learning. Incorporate them into your practice, and you'll soon find that your English is sounding more natural and dynamic. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and have fun with the wonderful world of sound effects in English.